Sir, we found it.
Agencies have now cordoned off the area.
Jane, I think you want to see this. You alright?
Your dad threatened me. Thor is so puny.
What? He was freaking me out!
Where did he come from?
Name?
He said it was Thor?
Yeah, for a crazy homeless person, he's pretty cut.
How'd you get inside that cloud?
Also, how could you eat an entire box of Pop-Tarts and still be this hungry?
Just drink, I like it. Another!
This is going on Facebook, smile.
Your ancestors called it magic, and you call it science. Well, I come from a place where they're one and the same.
But who are you, really?
You'll see soon enough.
God, I hope you're not crazy.
Do you swear to guard the lives of the innocent and preserve the peace?
I swear.
I will destroy their kind
You can't kill an entire race.
and die with them.
These people are innocent. I have no plans to die today.
I will return.
You don't know what your actions would unleash.